Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to block third-party cookies in Kiwi browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Kiwi browser. So I'm going to click on here to open my Kiwi browser. After you open up your Kiwi browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to privacy and security. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on third-party cookies. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So you can see right here, block third-party cookies. Sites can use cookies to improve your browsing experience. For example, to keep you signed in or to remember items in your shopping cart. Sites can use your cookies to see your browsing activities across different sites. For example, to personalize ads, features on some sites may not work. And then make sure you turn off this particular button right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to block third-party cookies in Kiwi browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.